Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove Meta AI from Instagram, disable take off Meta AI on Instagram. So if you have updated your Instagram and if Meta AI is available in your country, then probably whenever you tap the search icon on Instagram on your messenger, then you will see this Meta AI icon. If you want to delete the message or the conversation with this Instagram AI, then yes, you can. But you cannot delete this Meta AI feature or even the Meta AI icon on the search bar. But if you really want to get rid with this one or disable or take off this Instagram new feature here, which is the Meta AI, then I would suggest that you should download the old version of Instagram. So how are you going to do this? All you have to do is go to any web browser and then search for older versions of Instagram. Then you will see here sites where you can download all versions of Instagram. And all you have to do is to find one. So you have to look for the oldest version because in the oldest version or older versions of Instagram application, there is no Meta AI. And you can see that on the search bar on Instagram Messenger. So what you're going to do is to click a download once you found that feature or old version feature of Instagram. Then after that, click download and then tap install. And then it's the same thing. You just have to launch this Instagram application and go to your Messenger, Instagram Messenger, and you will see that this Meta AI has been disabled or is not yet available. So I really hope this video helped you. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.